Yo, what's going on, party people, fat boy family? It's your favorite fat boy. That was weird. That didn't come out right. But yeah, it's your favorite cousin. It's your favorite fat boy. Today is Tuesday. And when I'm recording this, and I'm either going to drop this video today, and I know I said I was starting this decant series where we was going to kind of do this play on Wednesdays, like worthy Wednesdays, like full bottle worthy Wednesdays. Just got a package in the mail though, so that's why I'm recording this now, because I'm a little excited. And I'm trying to exercise some discipline with my schedule. You know what I'm saying? I should know better as far as like, yo, you ain't got to post everything, you know what I'm saying, immediately. You know what I'm saying? You can wait, because y'all know I do my full fragrance reviews. Fat Boy Fridays is for full fragrance reviews. And then I'm trying to do, like, I've been posting a short pretty much every day, which has really been helping the growth of the channel. And then like kind of like this decant series or whatever, because I told you I'm tired of spending money. Nonetheless, if you get this a day early, consider yourself lucky. We may have to do memberships. I don't know if I'm eligible for that from a monetization standpoint yet, but that may be like a membership thing. Like if you pay $1, you know what I'm saying, subscribe 99 cents or whatever, like you get that behind the scenes, like a day early or a week early access to videos. I don't even know if people even care about that. And I'm ashy right now. But yeah, let me stop running my mouth, man. So if you're seeing this on Wednesday, that means I was disciplined. If you're seeing this on Tuesday, that means I really don't care. But yeah, decant series, I think I told y'all when I was doing the review of NAZAR Paris Amberful, and people were saying it was like, you know, similar to Ganymede. So I got a sample of Ganymede in from Scent Split, and then I did kind of my impressions on that or whatever. One of the other samples I got as well was Vertus tomato, potato. Y'all know how that goes in the fragrance community. However, you know, get it how you live, Piven. But I'm gonna say Vertus, from Vertus, the House of Vertus Paris Vanilla Oud. And so we're still in line. I got a sample, and you can see that there from Scent Split. You know what I'm saying? Woody, vanilla oud, warm, spicy fragrance. Got some caramel, sweet, just super, super well done. One of those things that gets a lot of hype in the community, and deservedly so. I've heard a lot about it, so I was excited to get a sample in, and I sprayed it, and I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna just go over the notes real quick. I wanna tell you how sophisticated this is. Saffron, apple, rhubarb, and bergamot. That's in the top. In the middle, we got that argwood, that oud, saffron again, cashmere wood, which is one of my favorite notes, rose, jasmine, violet, and then we got that cyclamen. It gets even better. In the base, we got vanilla, again, that argwood, oud again, caramel, tonka bean, gaiac wood, sandalwood, cedar, musk, patchouli, vetiver. Amazing. And so, you know, like I said, I'm in North Carolina. The season has clearly changed. AC has changed. I always sleep with a fan, but instead of with it being on high, I've turned it down. I've turned off the ceiling fan, and yeah, it's crazy. So I'm excited because the seasons have changed. This fall is my favorite season, and this is perfect. So like I said, I have the decant, and then I just got in the package from Max Aroma. They didn't send me anything. I bought it. I paid full price. Nobody has sent me anything yet, but Max Aroma, I do want to give y'all a shout out just in case y'all want to holler at your boy. Max Aroma has the absolute, now Fragrance Buy has some decent packaging with their, what they call packaging peanuts. But Max Aroma has the best packaging, and I feel like there's one other company that packages their stuff like this. They got the best packaging I've ever seen in my life. The way they had this thing wrapped was incredible. And before I jump into that, they included a sample, Spirit of Kings from the House of Aludra. I don't know, has anybody ever heard of that? And it comes, this is a 5 mil atomizer. I wish more, you know what I'm saying, you know, distributors, discounters would do that. Oh, this is nice. kind of leather. Check that out. That's nice. Black and gold. Oh, so you can actually pull that out. Pause. So that's the normal joint. And then you actually just put it in here. Okay. Well secured. I like that. That's nice, but it is a sample of Spirit of Kings Aludra. I don't want to spray this yet. So we'll get to that. So let me know if you've heard that. But shout out to Max Aroma, man. Best packaging, some of the best packaging I've ever seen. But this is the box for those of you who have never seen. I mean, packaging is dope. The detail. And shout out to all, you know what I'm saying, the fragrance houses, the clone houses that are, and this is just a sleeve, that are doing some great things with their packaging or whatever. You know, designers, y'all need to take some notes. But shout out to the niche houses that are still doing their thing. Speaking of which, I know people's like, Walt, you need to stick to clones. There will be no fragrance slander of any kind. No clone slander, no designer slander, no niche slander on this channel. I told y'all, yes, of course, clones are the cheapest thing. That's the hype right now. We're gonna talk about that. But I love designers, I love niche, I'm growing. This is another niche fragrance to add to the collection, you know what I'm saying? Dope presentation as well on the box. And I don't care who, I keep all of my boxes. I keep them in storage. They're not on display or anything like that. Got the logo on the top. I like the way they got that V right there. That's dope. You got the information there on the side, all of the information there on the bottom. Certificate of authenticity, man. Dope. Ooh, look at that presentation though. Y'all look at that juice. Hold on, they gotta see the name. Look at that juice, man. Look at that juice. That's beautiful. So the bottle style actually matches the box. Oh, that's genius. Small details, man. Like I said, I'm a designer, or I have a design background. So details like that go a long way. From the house of Vertus Paris, we have Vanilla Oud. Man. Oh, even the way they do the V on the bottom. Come on, man. And I'm not gonna spray it because I've been using that sample. So I'm gonna go through my decant first. Look, I'm gonna get through my decant first before I start spraying this, but yeah, was it full bottle worthy? Oh, and it's got a magnetic cap. Woo! Yeah. And they got that V again? Oh, this is crazy work. This is crazy work. I'm excited, man. I'm excited to really dive into this. And got it for a good price too. I don't know if it's still on sale on Max Aroma or whatever, but got it at a great discount. But like I said, man, this is probably Altair, and really, cause I got a decant of that. So, and I told y'all I still wanna get a full bottle, but I've got Liquid Broom. So that, let's see. I got a decant of Ojan coming in. I've heard good things about that. So let's say Liquid Broom. And then let's say Grand Soir. I got Eternal Oud. So I got a decant of Grand Soir, but I got Eternal Oud. I did something crazy yesterday because the temperature was right. I mixed Ani. I actually have Ani. So I took two decants. I took Ani and Grand Soir and layered them together. Oh my goodness. Matter of fact, them decants about to be done for. It was smelling crazy. But the clones, Latafa Eternal Oud, as far as Grand Soir, and then Ani is Fragrance World. It's French Avenue, Spectra Ghost, the joint that's got the bullet in it. I'm gonna be talking about that on the channel too. But as far as fall, my top 3 fall fragrances are probably gonna be Liquid Broom, which is an Altair Hair DNA. Dumont Paris Nitro White, which is basically, that has that Invictus DNA with honey in it. It's just crazy. And in no particular order, but this right here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna say 4. Because Tom Ford, the new, I'm in love with it. Maybe not y'all, I love it. Let me say 5. Let me hush. Here go my 5. Exclusive. I'm giving y'all, matter of fact, let me, how long I've been recording. Let me hurry up, because this video was supposed to be like 7 minutes. In no particular order. So this is probably what I'm gonna rock the most this fall. Eternal Oud. Lattafa Eternal Oud. French Avenue, which is Fragrance World, Liquid Broom, Ganymede Clone, Celestial, Dumont Nitro White, and Vertus Vanilla Oud. Yeah. Those are my 5 I'm gonna rock the most. I'll be doing a new list, man, because remember I told y'all on my top 10 that list was fluid. And as the weather changes, it keeps changing. But those are DNAs right now. Did I say Tom Ford? Vertus, Tom Ford, Eternal Oud, Nitro White, and then Celestial. Yeah. But I know a lot of y'all have Vertus. If you don't have it, let me know. You know what I'm saying? If you do have it, let me know what you think. If you don't have it, if you have a decant, man, I'm excited. I might spray it one time, but like I said, we gonna get through this decant first. You know what I'm saying? Before we start cracking on this. But until next time, I catch you guys in the next video. You know what? I'm feeling generous. It's Tuesday. We already know it's full bottle worthy. I may do something different for Wednesday. We may talk about something else. We may just talk about this because I don't even know what this is. But yeah, until next time, I catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Hey man, I'm gonna start using this line. I gotta figure out how to use this line I need a tagline. Y'all help me figure that out. Drop some comments what my tagline should be. Should I stick with, you know, just, hey, your favorite fat boy? I love what the lady told my mama, said, you know, I can't see you, but I can always smell you. Something, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Do I even need a tagline? It's kind of corny, I don't know. You know, I really try to tell y'all, I want you to smell better for less. Smell better, feel better, live better. That may be it. Smell better, feel better, live better. I think you live better when you feel better, and you feel better when you smell better. I kind of like that. Anyway, drop that in the comments, engage with me. Let me know what you think. Let's figure this out. But hey man, Vertus, round of applause, yo. I might leave this in the display just like that. That's crazy. All right, I'm going for real. I'll holler at y'all. I think I'll start the video. All right, I'm going.